after corn is done, we just have to clean up everything, put it away, you know. So I'm gonna try to move this tractor with the poop stick on the back. And I'm gonna get it out of here so I can pull in the dump wagon. I'm kind of bummed because I was going to look at a truck tomorrow in New Jersey, and then turns out it's a long bed. Like, it was not posted anywhere that it was a long bed. And I don't really think I want an 8-foot box. It's just like, I test drove one the other day and it was kind of like driving a bus. So I don't really want that anymore. But then I go on my phone and I look at the same website and the same exact truck pops up with like 60,000 less miles. So it has 20,000 miles and it's like the same color and everything. It's called Silver Spruce. It's a color. And I really hope they give me a good trade-in for my truck. And we'll see. So I just emailed them. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. I've been just going through a roller coaster of emotions though with it because it's a lot of money for trucks right now too. So I don't really want to, but I think I'm ready for a new one. Anyway, I'm going to try to figure out how to pull this out. Literally, this tractor, you can see the ground. Can you see that? Right in there. You can see the ground. So, it's not a great day out today. I think I'm blocking the sky. My tractor. Yeah, okay. Their babies. So it looks like she's gonna have it soon or already got it. Got a lot of cleaning to do. Let's do a little farm fit check. If you guys don't follow us on the Instagram, then you're missing out because I do them all the time over there. So, oh, it's cold. UtterTech overalls because they're pressure washing. These are from Bass Pro. It's got like the hooded flannel. Pioneer hat, Carhartt edition, and work boots. So, yeah, that's about it. Here's our diesel tank. Hi, buddy. It's a boy. I think. Let's see. It's a boy. This room is like really warm. I think it's like 70 degrees maybe in here, maybe 55 when that door is open. But this is a place to go if you're cold. This is our wash barn. Kind of gets filled with random stuff as you can see, but it's nice and warm and it's away from the wind, so it's nice to pressure wash in here. Kind of need to pressure wash the walls, I think. I called my dad to come help me move that because I've never done that. Also, for Thanksgiving, we're going to the Adirondacks on Wednesday. So, kind of excited. This is a new door that's going in right here. I mic'd out. This truck. I don't know how I can see out that window. Now I'm gonna see what he thinks of the truck. Usually he's a little anti, so we'll see. Like a boy. Okay, here we go. Cover. I always feel like the inside of a dually, I think that tire always gets left out. So I always make sure to spend some extra tender loving care, because can you imagine just living like that, hidden behind someone else your whole life? It's sad, really. So I'm also not really worrying about the tops, and like I'm gonna do the sidewalls of the tires, but we're gonna be driving out of here in the mud anyway. So those are gonna get muddy. I'm also gonna wax this and detail the inside. So I'm literally getting chunks, but I can be pretty confident that it's not manure because this is only in the mud. I did drive it through the manure over there. But other than that, this also has the blade on it from corn still, or the blade goes on anyway. I think we're about halfway done. Naturally, also, when I showed my dad the truck, was not a fan. He thinks I'm stupid for it. But he was like that when I put my tires on my truck. And I just go by, like, I could die tomorrow. I'm going to get what I want. And if it's a stupid financial decision, I'll learn from it. Probably not. But whatever. It is a lot of money, and I hope it doesn't sell between today and tomorrow because I really want it. So, yeah, he does think I'm really stupid for wanting a diesel. And I thought I don't really need to tow anything, but then I remembered we are going to have to tow a trailer in our next business venture, which I'll let you guys know what that is soon. So that's a good excuse for the extra $20,000. Okay, that's like 2 hours worth of pressure washing. I'll go to bed in a second. This is all soaking wet. I'm freezing. Very, very cold. I'll show you. I'm gonna let it dry and see, like, I literally just washed this, and so I'm gonna go back over it once more, and then I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm gonna come back later tonight, like after my appointment, and finish it. Because even like you wash the tires and then this settles in it, and that triggers me. And then I'm gonna do the inside probably tomorrow. But this thing looks pretty good. These are just paint chips and whatnot. But yeah, this looks good. And this is all done. shiny. See, I washed that, and once it dries, it literally looks sturdy again. So we'll go over it once more, and then I'm gonna let it dry. And I think I'm gonna look at that truck tomorrow, even though my dad is very anti, but he's anti about a lot of things like that. So I'm not gonna let him crush my dreams. And I'm going to, it's like 2.5 hours away, I think I said that. It's definitely a big investment, but I think it'll be worth it. I am soaking wet. There she is. If you have not yet had the chance to order our Farmer Veteran shirt for the charity, please make sure, if you guys were considering it, they're only available until the end of the month. So once December hits, they'll be off our store. They're $25, and we're about halfway to our goal. So we have like 500 more shirts to sell in order for Kaz Gear to donate $10,000 to the Farmer Veteran Coalition, and that would be sweet. So hope you guys consider doing it. The link will be right here and underneath. Yeah, I'm like a wet dog. The shirts come in sizes from small to 4X, and they're navy blue. I love mine. It has the NY Farm Grill logo on the front, and then it says thank a farmer for your food, thank a veteran for your freedom, with a really cool tractor on the back. So yeah, thank you guys very much. Have a great day.